Hello guys, I showed my map now. Here is this. Key. Temple of heiwa. I don't know. It just shows the random one. Need to hide in the tunnel. What about the tunnel? Safest place to be. Let me just check his building. What? No, I bet. Don't look around in buildings. You can find the shelter key. Go in the... Oh, sometimes there's shelter key in here. Could I go in the tunnel? That's everywhere. I go one place. Might be. Got my coil ready. Got a bridge. But I can't find it. Tunnel. Extinguisher. Good. I just rang out. I got confused. Tornado warning.
What type is it?
Freeze.
Is it?
Yeah. Freezy freeze.
Where are you?
Yeah.
Come on, hide under here.
Yeah.
You
Ice
gotta
spike?
get away from an ice spike. Yeah. Where are you, Zach?
On the other side. On that side.
Are you in the tunnel?
Yeah. Go back.
Where are you?
See green? Oh, hi.
Okay.
Hi, Yuki.
Hi, Zach the car.
You 85 years old?
No.
Oh. I'm sleeping.
Why would you sleep in the middle of a storm?
Because I'm cold.
I want to poke my head out of the cave and have a look.
That's too dangerous.
You think?
That's illegal.
What happens if there's a cold?
Okay. It's so cute. Good look. I saw that's on your screen. And I just got pulled in it. But I'm okay. Not much so. You still in the tunnel? I still in my spot. On your screen, I just saw a big white tornado. Oh, you went well with your green coil. Hey, I want to ask you a question. What's your favorite coil?
Probably the blue one, to be honest.
Yeah.
The green one is useful, but I've just got used to the blue one.
Me too.
I don't like the golden one much.
Only in tsunamis or lava floods.
That's right.
Floods.
Tsunamis and lava floods is good.
Yeah.
But it takes too long to come back down again.
Oh yeah.
So it's annoying.
Like you want to go up a high building.
Yeah, if you want to go up a high building, that's good.
Yeah.
Do we know what's next?
My Alien Invasion.
Oh. Do the aliens take you if you're under the waterfall?
I don't know.
I'm going to experiment. What do you reckon?
Yeah.
I'm going to see.
I like the sky.
I'm going to see if we're safe.
Yeah.
Have you just stayed in the corner the whole time?
Yeah, but tornado pulled me.
Away?
Yeah, just like tiny bit.
Alright, well, we'll just stand in the corner and see what happens, eh?
Yeah, I calling. See.
Okay, I've got my head stuck halfway in the wall. Remember that time I got stuck in the chimney?
Yeah.
Like Santa. There's a song about Santa getting stuck in a chimney.
When an atomic bomb coming? When an atomic bomb coming?
Oh, that's right. There was a bomb coming and my head was stuck in a chimney. And I was not good.
Oh.
I was in a life-threatening situation.
Read it.
It is great honour to introduce... Oh, it was too fast. The aliens are coming, Zach.
UFOs coming. Aliens in the UFOs. UFOs. Okay. No! Me! Mum! Look! The aliens pulled me up to the ship.
Did you get taken?
No, I'm still in.
Oh, they tried to get... Oh, no, bud!
Trying to get me, but they can't.
Because you're in there. Oh.
Yeah.
But is your health going down?
No. You!
Ah! They can't do it.
Yeah. Like us in a shelter.
They're trying.
Now me. I lose a bit of my health now.
Have you lost a bit of health? Move around and your health will come back.
No, my mum.
They're trying, aren't they?
I'm stuck.
What?
I'm stuck. There we go.
They're just going to keep trying, Zach.
Yeah.
Are you still stuck? No.
No.
Oh, wow. So I don't reckon they can... They're trying.
Yeah. Oh, nice.
They've broken my leg.
I'm still calling. Man.
Oh, now...
No! Ah!
They finally got me.
Not me. I'm still in.
How did that happen?
I'm still in. It's a very good spellment. Oh. I'm still surviving. Just hitting my... I survived. But you didn't. How that happened?
How did you survive?
How you happened? That's a spellment. I reckon when you died, that's wrong. When you died, that's wrong. And when we survived it. You know what? But I good spellment. I survived.
That's good, Zach.
Like, they can't, you know why they can't get us? Because there's, tunnel, like the shelter. Minus 26 degrees. How did you die? That was very, very weird. Let me just... Bye guys.